The College Funding Coach has been doing our workshops since 2002. And over that time, we've worked with hundreds, if not thousands, of schools and businesses and churches and other community organizations to bring this message to the families of that organization. And what we really try to focus on is providing tremendous value. Our workshop is generally a 2-hour workshop packed full of information all about how to save and pay for college and the process and understanding some of the potential pitfalls, some of the opportunities, and really looking through a little bit of a different lens at the process.
Have your parents be prepared to kind of drink from a fire hose. In the 90-minute to 2-hour presentation, we'll give them a ton of information, some of which will be applicable, some of which won't, but all of it will be free.